Well, here at home, Miami-Dade School Superintendent Alberto Carvalho is pleading with students and parents to stay vigilant in helping curb the spread of COVID-19 ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday. He also announced a new partnership with the University of Miami that provides free rapid testing for the coronavirus for all students. Rapid testing is being made available to students in Miami-Dade County. Superintendent Alberto Carvalho announcing today the district is in final negotiations with the University of Miami's Pediatric Health to potentially roll out testing across the county as early as next week.
So this will be an opportunity for all students in Miami-Dade County Public Schools, or students who attend charter schools or private schools, to be tested for free through this partnership between Miami-Dade County Public Schools and the University of Miami School of Pediatric Medicine. We hope to start it next week. We are in the final round of negotiations. We're finalizing the document. And again, we're going to try to make it as easy as possible for the communities by providing the administration of these rapid tests via mobile vans provided by the University of Miami.
While 45% of students in Miami-Dade County rely on in-person learning, the larger majority relies on online learning. Concern had been growing that plans were being made to eventually move all students back to school, despite rising coronavirus cases in the state. But Superintendent Carvalho says he doesn't expect the online option to go away.
Quite frankly, somewhat heartened by the dialogue that is ongoing in Tallahassee, as the Commissioner of Education was just asked by a State Board of Education member about the viability of the online option continuing into January and beyond. And the Commissioner assured the State Board of Education that that will continue to be a viable option. We are elated. We were concerned. Our plan was to continue what we currently have, which is a two-model solution for learning. The My School Online, which is online learning, which currently serves 55% of the student body, and the Schoolhouse model, which serves 45% of the students.
While cases are on the rise, the superintendent made his message clear. It is the community's job to avoid infection by practicing safety and social distancing ahead of this holiday season.
Ultimately, this rests with our community's ability to exercise self-restraint, maintain social distancing, washing their hands, not congregating, wearing a mask.
Carvalho says along with the in-person model, he hopes the online learning platform will receive the same funding going forward in order to provide parents and students with learning options that they feel suit their needs.